How to integrate Trello with Slack. So to start, we'll just have to open our Slack account, and then in here we'll have to go on the left part of the screen and then tap on the More option. After that, select Automations, and then in here we'll have to tap on the Apps option. And then after that, in here we'll have to tap on the search bar, and then we'll have to type here Trello. So in here, as you can see, we have this Add option. What we need to do is to tap on this one. After that, we will be automatically redirected to this page. What we need to do is to tap on this Add to Slack option. And then after that, tap again on this Add to Slack. And then in here, we'll have to select our Trello workspace. And then in here, as you can see, I'm automatically redirected to my Trello account. And then in here, what we need to do is to go on this Slack workspace linking. And then after that, we'll have to tap on this Add to Slack option. In here, we'll have to scroll down and then tap on this Allow option. And then in here, to completely integrate our Trello account with our Slack account, all you need to do is to scroll down here and then tap on this Allow option. So that's how easy we can integrate Trello with our Slack account. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!